first one.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. See. Oh, hell yeah, I wanted this one.
Oh, hell yeah. That's dope. I was pressing that one earlier.
It's like
with a keyboard.
Yeah. Okay. I'm glad I got that one. Next one. Try this satisfying thing again. It didn't work, okay.
Nice.
Here.
Yes.
It's supposed to be satisfying, but it doesn't because it breaks.
Oh, I see.
Interesting.
Ooh.
Nice. Oh, they have a green one. Ruby flower.
This picture's so good.
Oh yeah. Dude.
Let's go.
Velcro. It kind of is cool. Okay, you guys, so let's look for some fidgets today at Dollar Tree. So they have the fidget poppers. So like the simple dimples, they have 3 different colors. Very cool. Probably get one. They have these stretchy guys, which I actually have already. I have 2 of them. They have some goofy gooey like liquid slime. Oh, they also have Octo Bubble These are the like little fidget dudes. Kind of really cute, actually. 3 different colors.
That's like really good.
It's one of the simple dimples. That's like what it is.
For $1? It's good, but
dude, they're usually like $5, like legit,
shit,
which
fair.
is why it's I think worth it. Which is interesting. Get all of these. Tons of little fidget things. That's kind of cool. So this is at Dollar Tree. They have like poppets and lots of things here. You guys should definitely check it out. They have Play-Doh, the confetti kind, which is cool. 4 different colors. Then they have at least 4 different colors of the regular solid colors. And they have the best store-bought slime you can get is the Nickelodeon kind. This clear one is really nice. Have fidget bracelets. Only 1 color. Don't know if it would fit me because I have an adult wrist. So they have lots of things you can get here. Oh gosh. Wow, we don't even have Toys R Us in California anymore. Or America. And wow, for 99 cents they have pop keychains. That's so cute. These are the 3 they have. They have unicorns and dinosaurs apparently. Nice.
I think I might get one of these. So we can have a 3rd person who knows us.
Yeah. Nice. I think these are the only 2 colors they have. Yeah.
Fuck yes.
Heck yeah. There is a spider in these and I want them.
Hoggies.
I must get one. This is so cute. This one's a crab. T-shirt. They have more. They have a square and a pineapple. Look, they have a square, pineapple, a t-shirt. Whatever this shape is called again. Kind of cool. Yeah, I'm getting the crab. Yeah, oh. I'm getting these 2.
Nice.
Alright, so far I haven't opened any of these guys yet. This isn't everything that I've gotten from Dollar Tree yet, but I will do a little haul for you guys real quick. So I got 2 of these Orb Sensory Fidget Poppers, obviously, the Simple Dimples. So these 2 have blue around and it's yellow and pink. I got a white, green, and purple one, but I actually already opened it. But one of these is for me and one of them is for a gift. Same with these little octo bubble dudes. So the purple one is for me and the blue one is for a gift. These guys are really cute, and for $1 I think this is probably the best you can get. Then I have this little poppet bracelet, which I didn't get any for anyone specifically. I just wanted to get one of every poppet they had. And then I got 2 of these stretchy pals, just because I thought they're really cute. One for my sister and one for my friend's little sister. So I think they'll like them. And I also got the other the tiny little poppets, as you guys saw. But that will be in a different video. This is so far what we've got, and in a little bit I'll open it up for you guys. Going through all of them. They have the pods and the bars. The bars are cheaper. What? Alright, let's do it. Got 2 this time. Show yours.
There you go, this one.
Okay. Let's get the first one is. Always so much trash. I just cleaned my car. It's opening it this way.
It is the Domino one.
Look, it's a joystick one. That is so cool. Nice. Sorry. Ooh, I like the creaky noise.
Yeah.
You can connect them together. Joystick. And let's open this one. Hope it's not a double. Ooh, this is the rolly one, yeah. The Domino one is cooler. The Domino one is cooler. Really? The Domino one is way cooler. Okay, we just traded.
Maybe I'm gonna regret that decision.
We'll see.
Okay, good.
We can all put it together and fidget board. Wait.
Yeah.
Where's the front? That's if we can't use a Domino one. We're just stupid.
We can put it at the end.
Nice. That is really cool. Also, so far, this is my fidget board. I don't have the puzzle one on here. And the extra I had of this, I gave to my friend, as you guys saw. And I have one singular fidget board from the first series. But I have no idea where it is. But this is my fidget board. It's pretty nice. And you take off the Domino one. These are like my 4 favorites. I love the Domino one. So loud though. Same as the Clicky. They're really loud. This one is just really fun. It's just like a keyboard, obviously. And the joystick one. So yeah, that's my little fidget board. I got all of these at Walmart as blind bags. And we kind of sat there for like 10 minutes and felt around for the ones we wanted, and it worked out. This is what I have so far. Alright you guys, so you've reached the end of the video, and that was the end of this fidget hunting and the fidget like Sensory FX blind bag opening. They were going to be separate videos, and I was going to do like a haul opening the ones that I got, but I'm really busy and everything, so I'm going to do a live opening, like a live video, you know, like a live opening those fidgets, so you guys can join me whenever that happens. It'll probably be in like 2 weeks or something, because I'm going traveling right now. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like and comment your favorite fidget that I found or bought. I really love the octopus ones from Dollar Tree, and I really love the fidget board that I have now with all my Sensory FX fidget boards, so that's really cool. But I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!